Interconnectedness is a fundamental concept where everything from subatomic particles to galaxies, living beings, and even consciousness is linked through fundamental forces, energy, waves, and create a vast communicative system. Our nature is a large network or wave where everything is linked through a complex wave of dependence. What is above, so below, echoing the same fact that we are all connected by invisible thread of energy. No existence is self-sufficient, but it emerges or evolves from the interaction of different energies. In universe, galaxies are interconnected through gravity, frequently interacting, merging, or cannibalizing smaller galaxies, which drives their evolution by triggering star formation and altering shapes. This connection extends to the cosmic web when galaxies link via vast filaments, and even distant galaxies can show strange synchronizations, suggesting deep universal relationships beyond just gravitational pull, impacting their structure and growth over billions of years. Streams of stars stripped from one galaxy by another galaxies often created stellar bridges. Galaxy transport gas which fuels new star formation in another galaxy. There are evidence of gravitational tides similar to ocean tides but on a galactic scale. The same phenomena is seen in the human body where 30 to 40 billion cells and 38 trillion microbial cells coexist inside our body. The interaction between 40 billion human cells and 86 billion neurons in brain is a perfect example of interconnectedness. So in our body, all systems from circulatory to nervous, digestive, etc. work as a unified whole and create a complex network. In nature, food chain itself is a complex network and self-sustaining, where losing of any species, altering the climate, or impacting water cycles affect the entire system. Matter is not self-existing. In fact, galaxies and matter are linked by gravity, forming immense structure, while elements in our bodies originated in stars, highlighting material connections. Electromagnetic and gravitational waves connect everything, creating an energetic resonance between systems. The concept of separation is just an illusion. All particles are connected by forces or by energy, influencing each other instantly regardless of distance. So interconnectedness is a fundamental principle that nothing in our universe exists in isolation. Whether viewed through the lens of ecology, technology, or human sociology, every action creates a ripple effect that touches the distant part of the whole. Understanding interconnectedness requires us to move away from siloed thinking and toward a system thinking approach, recognizing that the boundaries we draw between us and them, or human and nature, are often artificial. As we face increasingly complex global challenges, acknowledging our interconnectedness is no longer just a philosophical exercise, it is a practical necessity. By recognizing that we are part of a larger unified fabric, we can foster greater empathy and feeling of togetherness.